And then we're gonna use our soft diamond. So this is called a diamond file. That's what we've been using for our edges. But what I like to do is I'm gonna go just over my bases nice and gently. I'm gonna do the same thing, same pattern. So just 3 passes. 3, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then again over here. We got a little ding right here. I'll talk about that in just a second. 2, 3, and then we're gonna do a big pass. 1, 2, 3. Be nice and careful with your edges as well. Your edges are very sharp. They should be sharp. And I've seen one of my friends was tuning his skis the other day, and he just ran his finger along it, and it cut his finger. It was a pretty good sized cut. But in the past, I used to run my finger along the edge to make it nice and even. But doing that, I actually ended up cutting my fingers as well. So just be careful with your edges. Then we're gonna do the other side.